What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Car Keys. We're out here at Westside Paper on the west side. We're here to check out a very special car. We're here to check out a Mercedes C43. All right, y'all, we here at Westside Paper. Never been here before, but it's my dude right here, Isaiah.
How's it going?
If you want to say anything?
Yeah, well, hello vlog. Shout out to Mac. You know, I appreciate you coming out here to check out the car. You can follow me on my YouTube. It's Velocious Visuals. He'll probably tag it in the description. But yeah, today we're gonna go over the C43. I'm excited for him to review it, get his reaction, and you know, just see his opinion, see how he likes it. Let me show you guys something real quick.
I'm excited, y'all, by the way. He done popped the hood, so we know something about that.
Yeah, it's a new car, so, you know, with the C43, the big thing about it is that it has an inline four.
Okay.
But it's handcrafted, so it's actually, you know, made by hand by a guy in Germany. Now, on the previous C43s, you know, they were all V6s. Mm-hmm. So a lot of people were kind of nervous going to the four-cylinder about the sound quality.
Gotcha.
You know, they weren't sure how it's going to sound, but you know, we're gonna let Max see. He'll give you his opinion on the sound and the quality of it. So we'll see. Awesome, it does have more horsepower than the last car too.
So the four-cylinder has more horsepower than the four-cylinder. I mean, than the six-cylinder.
Yeah, than the V6.
Wow,
yeah.
That's crazy.
Electric turbo. This electric turbo is always spewing, so pretty much you got instant boost all the time.
Okay. So, quick disclaimer: I've never driven a Mercedes-Benz. Put that out there. Never driven a Mercedes-Benz. But check this out, y'all. I just want to talk about the two-tone here. You got the brown stitching there. Man, carbon fiber everywhere. Yeah, I love this carbon fiber. And it's a gloss carbon fiber, and this goes all the way throughout. You got a huge screen. The steering wheel here. Hey, I'm excited. Let's go. Man. I'm gonna do one rev real quick, just one little rev.
Yeah.
Wow, y'all, that's a four-cylinder.
Now, he's not even in Sport Plus, though. That's just comfort.
Wow. That is wild for a four-cylinder. So since we cranked it up, I'm noticing all kinds of accent lights all over the place. You got accent lights there, got accent lights there, you got accent lights in the vent. You got accent lights in the vent.
Yeah, at nighttime it's a movie, man.
Nice.
You can see whatever you want. Like, this is vehicle data. Mm-hmm. You know, it shows your suspension. If you turn the wheel, it shows your degrees. You can also switch it to show your G-forces. Shows your accelerator, your brake, G-forces over there.
I love that sound.
All right, guys, so look at that. That's the augmented reality. So pretty much it tells you exactly where to turn.
Northwest.
And that's perfect down here in downtown Atlanta. That's perfect. You can actually see where you're going better.
Yep.
That's where all these one-way streets.
Street northwest, and you will have reached your destination.
I don't like it.
Oh, you gotta watch out for them potholes in Atlanta.
All right, y'all, the first drive, we just got to the gas station. The first drive, this car is smooth, first of all. It feels amazing. I mean, you can feel like that torque. What I like a lot is that, I mean, suspension-wise, like you didn't feel any of the bumps, you didn't feel any of the potholes, and this is Atlanta, so there are potholes everywhere. This car handled them like a champ. So just from the design factor of this car, I mean, I love the way the logo is huge, so you know it's Mercedes-Benz. I know Mercedes always puts two logos on their cars. You got your front camera there. AMG badge is right there, proud on the right side. Now, Isaiah was saying that this car amazingly doesn't scrape when he drives. And it's weird because it's actually very low to the ground, especially in the front. It doesn't have like an extra split on the bottom, but it's actually very low to the ground. He said that it does not scrape, which is pretty awesome. And on the side, you got your side skirts there and matching white. Got that diffuser on the back. I like the way the exhaust tips are built into the diffuser, and you got this gloss black down at the bottom with that stainless color there. Sets it off very nice. Very nice. Whoa. 4-cylinder. I'm probably gonna say that like 10 times in this video. This does not feel like a 4-cylinder at all. What? Oh, nice, nice. So you got all your controls here. You got all your controls on the steering wheel too.
Yep.
Wow.
I'll show you a race start. This has launch control also.
Wow.
You know, not meant for public roads.
Right. Gotcha. Like these.
Gotta put that disclaimer out there.
Yeah, you gotta say that. Yeah, AMGs normally seem to have this weird sound, right? It's an amazing sound, and it's like, I've heard it on like the C43s, like the 8 cylinders, but it's still here. Like I said, it's a 4-cylinder, the sound's still here. Wow. Come on, F-150, what we doing?
And that's what I was saying, like, even though it's a 4-cylinder, it still sounds pretty good. Because a lot of people are kind of like, you know, oh, it's not a V6 anymore. I don't know. No, don't get me wrong, the V6 sounds better.
Yeah.
But this isn't bad, you know, for what you get.
Right. Oh, look at that big straightaway.
It's a pretty good feature. So all you really need to do is just put your foot on the brake and your foot on the gas.
Nice, nice. What?
That was just 0 to 60.
You can feel that. You can feel that power. That is amazing in the 4-cylinder. I'm gonna stop saying 4-cylinder. It don't even matter no more. It don't matter. All right, we're gonna get some revs in. Sport Plus mode. Nice. Got all the crackles, all the pops. 4-cylinder. I'm just saying. Wow, that's crazy. That's a big difference actually from when I drove the first time.
Yeah, like it literally opens up the whole engine.
Wow, that's amazing. I only went 20 miles an hour. That was amazing.
And if you want to turn around, you can do a race start too. You can see what it's like from the driver's.
He didn't just say that, did he?
All right, guys. So we're about to do race start for the first time. Let's get it.
All right. Whoa. Whoa. Wow.
It like puts you back in your seat,
That's
huh?
crazy. This is not a force. No. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. That is amazing. Oh, the smoke I left over there.
Yeah. Leave them in the dust, literally.
Right. I appreciate you letting me try this out.
No, for sure, man.
I've never tried this out before. So the problem is I gotta go back to driving my truck that does not do any of this. So how am I gonna do that? All right. You ready for this?
Let's do it.
Okay, put on the brake. Put on gas. Whoa. Wow, that's crazy. I couldn't have this car. I could not have this car. I'll be doing this all day. Wow, man. That is crazy power, though. Crazy power.
Yeah.
Man. My heart's beating like super fast right now. Oh, that's crazy. All right, guys, if you've never experienced this, you gotta try it. I don't know if they'll let you test it out at the dealership or not, but you gotta try this. This is amazing. It's just that feeling. Like you said, push you back in your seat. Like I was holding the wheel like this. Like it pushed you back in your seat. You gotta feel it. Hey, y'all, we just finished the whole review on the C43. My man Isaiah, man, thanks for letting us check it out, man.
Of course, man. Thanks for coming out, man.
Yeah. Anything else you want to say to the people?
Yeah, just check me out on my YouTube. My YouTube's gonna be linked in this bio, Velocious Visuals, and we got more content coming up. So make sure you subscribe to him, subscribe to me, and let's get it, man.
Let's get it. Once again, y'all, thank y'all for checking out another video of me and Crocky's channel. C43, I love it. All right, I said it before, I'm saying it again. I love it. I mean, everything about it was nice. I love the spec on it. I love the interior. I love the launch. Love that the most. So yeah, thank y'all for checking out another video. Like I said, like he said, I will link his channel in the description below. Check him out, subscribe to his channel. We're trying to grow, so do that. We appreciate it. Till next time, I'll see you.
Later.